Katanat Fisheries jang ka sarkar jila Meghalaya lingba ka office jang Superintendent of Fisheries West Khasil District Nongstoiñ minta ka singi kala rakhe ya ka National Fish Farmers Day ka ba arpan rio halor ka phang empowering fish farmers for a sustainable and prosperous future. Hakani ka singi ka Hema Nayak IS Deputy Commissioner ka West Khasil District kala long kum ka kongsan batlaya senran langru da uba Pilamin Superintendent of Fisheries West Khasil Hills ba DC Nongstoiñ Fisheries Supervisor bat kiwe ki officer sarkar. Ya kate ke jing ya lang na penya do ba Govinson yaw pnyao ha training hall Porso Sat Fish Farm Nongstoiñ bat kum kadak jang ke jing rakhi ya kani ke sneaker pang la samro ya ki simbai do kha shakom ba san phungut e ki nongri do kha jang ka than ringkat ke jing thmu ban pen kieu ya ke jingpynmih do kha ki prangut ki nongri do kha ki bala kieu shaprang na ki pratali ki block kan thop yo ba arwen mausor na umdang ba forlan san langren na mauthyang ba twa star cmle na nonglang ba adas lingdo na maukatan ba black star well mauli nong siet na rambrai kila yo ye ki sernat ne ka certificate of recognition na ka benta ki jingno senyang barat ba jangki ha ka kamri do kha kabla longru ka jingjop jangki ka ban ai min siem ye ki wei pat ki nong rap ban siem ye ki ru kamri do kha ki bastat ki ban la ban penne pensa na ka benta kala wei ka kongsan haba ai jingkran kala banjur halor ke jingdan kam jongka kamri do kha kum ban pen klan ye ke jing em ki nong kan dong ka badei ru ke jing ba man tai met na du ki brang ret ha du ki blan he alasan ka kongsan kala banjur ru ha ka ve dei ban thau ye ki lat yo kam yo jam ha kum ke ni ka por jong ka kerdu kam kerdu jam ka por jong ka hiran ha ka yo ka kat bat habaro kyang kala ong bakla dei ka por ban pen kala no ye ke jing iakop khwai do kha sha ke jing pen ni do kha namar kan min to ya baro lang kham tam na ka benta kala we pat pateng man wan
And you can see now, because of El Nino and climate change, it's changing. The weather is changing. The temperature is quite high. Today also is quite warm compared to previous years of month of July and August. So it is very important to give awareness regarding all these things to the fish farmers so that they do not miss out on the economic prospects. Secondly, we were discussing with our Superintendent of Fisheries regarding the integrated fish farming last time. If you see in the bordering areas of Shalang, especially in this Rongjeng and William Nagar and also in districts like Ampati, their farmers now are doing integrated fish farming. They are doing ducks and fishes and everything together in one farm. Plus they are also doing the, they are having small factories to do fish balls so that they can increase the shelf life. So here also similar activities we need to do. And this is not new for the farmers of Nongstoiñ. If you look at the West Khasil district, we are one of the best performing districts when it comes to ginger production, the quality of ginger and also the marketing. It's very good here. It is just that in the fisheries also we need to expand this knowledge, this kind of marketing, how to use this fish, how to market them, how to have this fish ball production and how to increase their shelf life. We need to identify this. And also we have various line departments here today. We have so many activities from CNRD blocks under BB Gram and previous MGNREGS. We used to have Amrit Sarovar scheme, and also from soil and water conservation we have many other activities. From water resources, PHE department, we do have these activities, and also tourism. When I saw this landscape, if you see this landscape, it is so beautiful. It has the hilly areas, it has the water bodies. So we need to develop this also as kind of tourism plus training center so that all the fish farmers of our district take the benefit of the infrastructure that our departments are having. And lastly, other important point I wanted to highlight is the malnutrition and the anemia we have among the children. If you see the stunting and the malnutrition data, from last NFHS survey, we are still lagging behind. Many of our kids, they are malnourished. If you go to Anganwadis and schools, many of our children, they go to school and Anganwadis empty stomach. They don't eat. I used to ask, what did you eat today morning? They used to say maybe sometimes red tea, maybe a little bit of rice. They do not take balanced diet, and it's not just limited to children. Also the adults, especially the pregnant women, mothers, they are also facing lot of difficulties. And to bridge this gap, we need to have this balanced diet, and fish can be a very good addition to anybody's diet. And though we talk about non-vegetarian food in West Kasil district, but if you go to the remote areas, there people are not consuming meat also. Hardly, maybe once in 10 days they might be eating. Otherwise, most of their diet is rice and diluted dal and maybe some potatoes. So we need to have these kind of fishing activities, not just for the economy or for money, but also to increase the nutrition and the health status of our children, of our mothers, fathers, and entire community, so that they can study well, they can perform well in their Anganwadis, in their schools. So this, when we talk about fisheries, it is not just about one particular activity. If you look at fisheries, it is many other things.